Got this beautiful Dracaena tree. So let's just take a close-up look here at the full setup, and I'm going to show you everything really close up. It comes really, really well packed, and it's got a really nice base that it comes with. It comes in a couple different colors. I think it comes in white and also black, and it's really easy to put the whole thing together. You're just going to just snap these pieces in here, just like this, and then you are going to put the branches themselves on. I was actually really impressed with the feel of these branches. They don't feel too rubbery, which I was impressed with, and they have really nice coloring. And honestly, there was hardly any fluffing involved. So I'm just going to show you, just pop them on each of these. Honestly, this took me about like 60 seconds or less to set the whole thing up. And you will spend a little bit of time fluffing it up, but even this is without fluffing at all. It looks fine, but I would recommend kind of bending the branches. It's just going to look a little bit more natural if you do that. But this is what the leaves look like close up. I do appreciate that kind of dual tonality of the green. It's really pretty. And here it is, just fully fluffed up and in place. Love the look of this one. Definitely a buy.